Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to avoid credit card interest. But if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and follow me on Instagram at Mr. Credit Banking. Let's get started. So you're saying to yourself, Mr. Credit Banking, how do I avoid paying interest on my credit card? Well, I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to show it to you. It's actually pretty simple. Pay the statement balance by the due date, and that's it. That wipes out your interest that you have to pay on that credit card for the month. Okay, Mr. Credit Banking, it can't be that easy. So tell me, how do you do it for your bills? Okay, well, I'm going to explain. For my bills, what I do, for my credit cards, what I do to not pay any interest on my credit cards, I take my whole paycheck and I just put it on that particular credit card. And that's how I can pay the balance in full and not pay any interest. So I pay the balance in full by the due date. And then after the statement closes, then I start charging on that credit card again. So take my whole paycheck, wipe out the statement balance, and stop any interest from accruing or being charged to that credit card on a monthly basis. And I do it this way month after month after month. I carry a balance, but I do not pay any interest on my credit card. Then the next question you may have is that, hey, Mr. Credit Banking, I don't think I have the cash to pay off my statement balance month after month after month. Well, I'm going to show you a way how you can find that cash. So what you can do from your budget is that you add up all your bills that you can pay with a credit card. And if it's more than the statement balance, take that chunk of money and pay it onto the credit card, wiping out the statement balance, also wiping out the interest rate. And then after the statement date, then you can then pay those bills with a credit card. And several things just happen. You cut off the interest that was going to be charged to you. You paid your statement in full. You paid your credit card by the due date, and you paid all of your bills. So it's win-win-win. I know that's a lot. So I recommend that you may have to watch this video over and over and over to truly understand everything I just said. But it's a very simple hack. Once you understand it, you will have to do it over and over and over to kind of knock out the interest rate as long as you're carrying a balance.
Guys, what you're looking at is my statement balance from my credit card, one of my credit cards. So I want to go over a couple of things in this credit card statement to show you guys proof that I am not paying any interest on my credit on this particular credit card. So underneath summary of account activity, I want to go over a couple of things underneath that section. So first, you see previous balance. It says $1,120.43. And then next to payment, it says $2,581.37. And then next to purchase and adjustment, it says $2,597.37. So this is proof I'm using this credit card. So then we go down a little bit lower, you see fees charge 0, interest charge 0. My new balance is $1,110.43. Guys, then I also wanted to show you one other thing. Under the section says 2021 total year to date. As you will notice, it says total interest charge for 2021, 0. So far this year, I paid 0 interest on this credit card because I'm using this hack on a monthly basis. As long as I continue to use this hack, I will not pay any interest.
So hopefully, guys, you guys got that hack. You guys understood it. Hopefully, you learned something today. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Also, follow me on Instagram at Mr. Credit Banking. Thank you.